how to change WhatsApp username. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you can change your WhatsApp username. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. To change your WhatsApp username, it's pretty simple. Make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to its latest version. For that, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and check for updates. After you've updated it, open up your WhatsApp. After you do that, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then head over to Settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to tap on your profile name on the top. After you do that, you'll find your current username. So to change your username, tap on your name right here. And from here, simply change your name. And after you change your name, tap on the save icon. Tap on the save button. And there we go. You have just changed your WhatsApp username. And it's that simple. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.